So what we got here is an automatic indicator for laundry bag fullness. So I've got WS2812 LEDs over here, an Arduino Uno, and I've got a VL53L0X laser rangefinder sensor on the bottom of this board over here. So I'm going to grab some clothes, starting off with socks, and as you toss them in, begins to indicate that you've got clothing. So when the hamper is empty, the LEDs go out. So let's add in more stuff. So there's some more stuff gone in, and let's keep going. So this is quite a nice visual indicator that you've got laundry in your hamper and how full it is. So the green LEDs indicate how much space you've got left, and the red indicates used space. So we're almost full here. Add this hoodie in, and there we go, a full hamper. So now you need to do your washing. So what you do, you remove it, get all the stuff out, pile it up on a chair or a basket if you are doing washing. And this is clean stuff, and the indicator starts going down. We're almost done. Alright, let's see if we can get all that stuff out. Alright, the hamper is empty, and now after 5 seconds the LEDs turn off, and then a couple of days later you start over again. In fact, the next day start adding dirty stuff again. Into the shirt, into the towel, into some knickers, some more knickers, t-shirt, and the t-shirt, and the towel, and so on. So that from a distance over there gives you a very nice indication of what's going on with your laundry hamper, and it serves as a nice reminder for sort of when you need to do your washing. When it's empty, there are no LEDs on at all. You can be at peace with yourself. So this was a fun project, been thinking about it for a while, and here it is. It is done. It worked out very nice. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this quick video on a height indicator or full indicator for laundry hamper. Worked out very nice. One would have to package all of this up and mount it and so on above here on the wall next to it, and there you have it. Nice. Thanks for being here and watching this video. Take care. Have a good day further. See you next time. Cheers.